everyone, welcome to Appalachian Farmstead, where we do things a little outside the lines, maybe sometimes a way outside the lines. So I'm busting out if you haven't seen this before, the Homestead Combine. So I'm down here at our Airbnb, link in the description if you'd like to come and visit the farm. We do goat walks. You know, you don't have to pay for shipping on the bagels. There's lots of outdoor activities around us. State park, we have rails to trails, all kinds of stuff. Anyways, this fell out on the way up yesterday, but we're going to be harvesting some goat feed. All this, all that, and all that. That's our mint patch right there where it looks like I don't weed eat, but it's, yeah. So, and hey, if you want to come here and stay and help out on the farm for a day or two, that's all right too. We always take free help if we can get it. So, all right, I am going to get out the X-Mark, or as I'm calling it, the Homestead Combine, and we're going to get to mowing and bagging and feeding the goats. So, cool times. This is real homesteading, people. This isn't these other YouTubers that talk to you about world events and doom and gloom. All that shit's out there. If you want to go watch that, go ahead. But for me, this is how we prevent the doom and gloom from creeping in on us. We do this every day. We raise our own food, and we make a living right here on the homestead. So some days it ain't much of a living, and other days it's a great living. So it all balances out. All right, let's get to mowing. This is actually only, that first dump really didn't count that you've seen, because I was thinking it was full already. But I tell you, it's been so dang cold here. Like 40 degrees at night. It's only getting into 60s. I mean, today we're maybe going to hit 70. But we have 3 days of rain coming. So there's no heat. So the grass, even though I was thinking all this rain we've been having, this grass would just take off. It hasn't, so, which is okay with me, but we're going to take this first load up and divvy it out to the goats. So, let's get this show on the road. Okay, goats will be loving this stuff. What's up there, boys? Huh? Oh, you're getting a good old treat today. I'm coming there, Fonzie. Yep, I'm coming. Behind you, dummy. Seriously. That? Not at all, huh? Big honking mouthfuls. Yum, 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 yum. Good afternoon, everyone. It is a rain-filled day here. It's been raining since about 2 o'clock yesterday afternoon, right after I got done mowing the grass. So we've been, yeah, I see that. We've been waiting till the rain slacks off. So it is rabbit butcher time. So we got the tent up, and we got some buckets, and we got the cooler, and we got our knives and everything. So we got 6 in here, and we got, I don't know, 10 more, 9 more to do. We'll see where we get. Alright guys, that's 9 of the 16, I think. But it's pouring down rain, and still got to process these 9. So we will catch you tomorrow. Alright, we've got another 6 rabbits. There's their ears. And if you wonder why we keep the ears, we actually freeze dry them and dog treats. So, I know, right? Nothing goes to waste pretty much, except for the hides. I'm not trying to do that. I don't have the time. I hear it's very difficult to do rabbit hides. What else? So I got 6 rabbits done. We had a baby born. We were hoping for 2, but it looks like it's just going to be 1, and that's perfectly fine. Surprise, surprise. We didn't even think Peaches was pregnant, but obviously she was. Did you check and see what it is?
Not yet. I don't want to really interfere because, like I said, she's getting closer to nursing, but
boy, she's got lots of milk in there.
she's such a good mother. So close, and she walks away.
She's trying, or it's trying. I'm not sure what it is. Yeah, oh, there it is.
Not yet.
You had it, little one. Almost. No. There it is, right there. Yep. Geez, it hasn't even been a half hour. She's nursing already. Good mama. Good mama, Peaches.
Our first baby not born in the Arctic cold.
Yeah, that's true.
First summerish baby. Spring. This little Alpine.
Alpine Eberholzy.
No. Fonzie.
Oh, Fonzie, yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Alpine.
Alpine.
It's cute. I think it's a doeling, but I'm not sure. Nice big yawn there, Peaches. You sort of know how to pump that bag, don't you?
Yeah. She actually had her up there and with the big hut, and Carrie heard some odd noises, so we went running out. She was halfway out, so As soon as she got her birth, we got her out of there because, you know,
Everybody getting trampled.
these idiots, they were all curious. So then we got these guys, they're going to be up there. I got to get them water and clean out their hay feeder. Just added a whole bunch of work today that wasn't expecting. So
Never a good time.
yeah, so they're going to have to stay up there for a while, something, for the foreseeable future at this point. So, all right, I'll bring you back here. We're hoping she has another one.